How to permanently delete photos from iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to permanently delete photos from iPhone. So first of all, in order to delete any picture from your iPhone, you need to open the Photos app in your iPhone, and after that just select the picture that you would want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this particular picture right here. Just simply click on delete from here and click on delete. And once this picture is delete, just simply click on the select collection settings from the bottom corner, and over here just go to the recently deleted pictures option, and now you need to click on view album. It will take your face ID to open this particular settings, this particular page. And after that, in order to delete the photos permanently, or if you are facing the storage problem, just simply click on select from the top right corner, and over here you have three dot icon right beside the cancel option. Just simply tap on it. You have these two options, whether you can go ahead and delete all pictures at once, or you can also recover all the pictures. Since you want to get some storage or permanently want to delete your pictures, just simply click on delete all, or you can also go ahead and select pictures individually while tapping on them and click on the delete option from the three dot menu and click on delete, and these picture will get deleted from your iPhone completely. Again, you can repeat the process and select all the pictures at once to save some time and click on delete from all devices. This will make sure that you will get some free storage, and your photos will also get permanently deleted from your iPhone quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to delete photos on iPhone when storage is full.